Welcome to Serious Software's e-commerce training series. In this video, we will be covering looking up your V2 variables for your e-commerce product mapping. Inside of Control, best place to find your variable names is actually to use it in a product. So if we start at our new button and go to a new estimate or a new order, you'll look for the product that you have mapped your e-commerce product to. In my case, I'll use wide format prints as an example. Once the pricing form is open, any of the information you want preset or to come over in the transition from e-commerce, you fill out on your pricing form. This is also assuming you're not using derived products for your e-commerce mapping. If you're using derived products for your e-commerce mapping, your production information should already be set, in which case you would only set the name of the derived product equal to your control product inside of e-commerce. On the off chance that you are not using derived products, you'll fill out your values. Then you'll see that the wide format name here in the top left corner is kind of raised. That's because it's a button. If I click on this button, it'll take me to my variable grid or my parameter grid. And then by filling out the form behind you, what you have done is you've marked those variables as overridden. So if we use this last column here, we can search for anything that has a checkbox, meaning that it has been filled in on our form behind us. So we find here a checkbox that was for our printer. So we know that we want to use our variable here for large format printers. Formatting is important, so we want to take notes of the fact that there are no spaces and where the capitalizations are as well. If we scroll down a little further, we'll find our material category and our material option that we also filled in on our form behind us. And so we'll see that this is roll stock underscore material and roll stock underscore material type. So this is your category and this is your actual material. Again, formatting is important, so make note of capitalizations on the R, S, and M, and the fact that it is not a space but an underscore that breaks up the wording in your listing. Once we have those names available to us and what we want those options set to, we will take that to our e-commerce product for our mapping. Please join us on the V2 product mapping video. If you have any additional questions about finding your variable names or maybe additional ways to find your variable names if you don't have the button option here on the top of your pricing form, maybe for some of our customizable customers, you don't have that option. Please join us on the e-commerce Q&A session. You can email us at ecommerce@serious.com. You can reach out to your e-commerce trainer if you're a private customer, or you can reach out to the consulting staff to have a session on how to find your variable names inside of Control. Thank you and have a great day.